Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I don't know if you can see it off in the distance over there. We're at the Nike outlet. It's been so long, at least it feels like it's been so long since I've been to the outlet. We're going to go in here and see what they don't have, because it is Ohio. If you've been around here for a while, you know that I very rarely find anything worth buying out of the Nike outlet, but there is 20% off the hash wall today, so we're going to try to take full advantage of that. But if you're new around here, you may not know that. So if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button as well. Turn your notification bells on. But we're going to roll inside here, see if they have anything worth pulling out of the store today. If not, we'll probably stop at Polo, probably go over to TJ Maxx, you know, H&M, something like that. But we're going to go in the Nike outlet first. Let's get it. Sheesh. Jordan shirt? It's not bad. How much is it? Look on the tag. What? In the shirt. There ain't no tags on it. Look on another shirt. Alright, y'all, man. You see what it is. I'm gonna go start right off with, you know, the Patrick Beverleys. You feel me? You know, you can't trust no dude to wear all black Air Force One lows. He don't care about his life. He ain't got nothing to lose. What are these? Yuck. Just running through these end caps real quick before. Still like these. Before we get into the main events, let's see if they got anything on these racks back here. Not looking like there's anything down the women's aisle. Look like we got the Forrest Gumps in the building. 45 doll hairs. Y'all say stop if y'all want me to stop. Yeah, I can't hear you. I'm not stopping. Oh my God, what is going on, Nike? Ohio outlets. Got the hidden swoosh on this Prime net. What are these called? Air Max Flies. We got the white joints, the black joints. Still got these, holding steady. The women's section is looking pretty sparse. Yeah, we got the two Hundies. You got some Air Max 270 Reacts, all blacked out with the white swoosh. Got peach on peach action for $90, plus an additional 20% off. Women's section is looking. I hope this ain't any indication on what the men's section is gonna look like. We got some 97s. You got an all like olive pear, 110. Let's move over to the men's section. I couldn't endure the women's section anymore. Had to stop subjecting myself to that. Got some 200 for 75. And this is what our Nike outlet. Aren't you guys that watch my videos so jealous of Ohio Nike outlets? Look at these. Look at this. You got the Travis Scott, you know, Antetokounmpo action popping. Look at, oh my God. I think these are the Travis Scott, these got maybe like trainer versions? Gotta be. Crazy. Oh my God, Ohio outlets. What? Oh my God. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh my God. Oh. More 200s, some all white essentials. We got these aren't bad, especially not for the price. $80 ain't bad for these. 100. Got your Orlando Magic colorway, you know what I'm saying? 90 bones. Alright. What the hell is this? What? Oh. Oh, burn it with fire, Jesus. 720 waves? Those are not the wave. Oh shoot, look at this. We got the quick strikes in here. What are these? The Viotex? Like we got them for retail in here. Maybe I'll try these on. I don't know. I don't want them, but maybe I'll try them on. You got these big, huge joints. Oh, you got some Air Max 2s for 40 bucks plus an additional. I don't like this sneaker, but that is a hell of a price. It's damn near free. You got a bunch of 55s. You know. Yo, I had these as I don't know if I was a kid or how old I was, but whenever these first came out many, many moons ago, and I almost bought these again just for nostalgia purposes, just because I didn't even remember them until I started seeing them re-released this year or last year. And I almost bought a pair just because it took me back to my childhood. Y'all ever did that? Like, seen something and be like, damn, I might just go and pull the trigger on that. We got some KDs. I don't like any KD. There's not a one KD silhouette that I like. I don't care what it is. I just don't like. I don't know. I don't like his sneakers. They look long. Pause. We got these in here already. LeBron 7 action. Look like we got a return in winterized 4s. It's a size 12. We got these new joints right here. The Skeletors. Skeletor 9s. Crazy. No price. Alright, we got a string of Kobe's, different variations of. You got some Mamba action, 60 bucks, black pair, white pair. Got these, I don't know what, Duck Dynasties, I think. You know what I'm saying? I think that's what these are called, Duck Dynasties, or the Platypus 3s. The South Beach colorway. Crazy. Let's get on this hash wall. I didn't see anything. As y'all see, there's been nothing worth pulling out. Y'all let me know if y'all see something, because I for sure the hell do not see anything. Not even any commentary necessary. We should all just sit and have a moment of silence for this hash wall. Jesus Christ. We over to my size.
If you find something on your size, then you can always check the inventory. I think the back wall's up to this 20% off discount.
My God, thank you. $50, 20% off. Oh my God. Absolutely nothing in here. Not even any returns, some retros, nothing in here. My God. Well, I'll just say there's nothing in here for me. I'm not gonna say there's nothing in here. I see people walking out with bags, so there's things in here. Oh, I'm about to throw this on the floor. Oops. But yeah, my outlets have no retros, man. That's not what we do here. As y'all can see, that Nike outlet was a bust. Josiah walked out with something. He walked out with a Nike sweatsuit, but there's no sneakers in there, and I wasn't expecting them to really have anything. But we're gonna stop in the H&M real quick, and then I'll probably run over to TJ Maxx after that. Let's get it. All right, y'all, you can see what I got on right now. Obviously, we're in the fitting room. I'm gonna try on a couple shirts just to see how, I got a crew neck and 2 hoodies just to see how they look on body, and I got a few pairs of jeans. You know, we'll see. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, this is the first selection. At H&M, their sizing is usually a little different when it comes to tees and tops in general, for the most part, in my opinion. So I usually go a size down. I wear typically a size medium, but this is a small. This may be a little too snug, you know what I'm saying? Unless you're trying to be on your Fashion Over Men tip, you know what I'm saying? That says, what does it say? Fantastique. You know what I'm saying? But I kind of like this. I love this like heather tan, like ivory color with the maroon words across. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section down below. Let's get into another one. All right, y'all can see this is that Peanuts hoodie I seen when I first came in. On one rack, it's at full price at $34.99 or whatever it was. And on the sales rack, it's $15.99. So, and this is a size small as well. And you can see how this fits perfectly. That other one fits a little snug. So the sizing you have to try, I like to try things on before I even make it to the house, because I don't want to waste my time driving all the way back out here to return it or exchange it. So you got the Peanuts hoodie, fits perfect. This is probably going to be a go for $16. So you can see all the way around, hit perfect right above the yams. Clean design on the front. Very, very dope. $16, size small. All right, y'all, what y'all think about this one? This one gives me like a Ralph Lauren vibe, you know what I'm saying? You got the gold, red crest across the chest. I think it just says Casual Heritage, 1993, another size small, hidden perfect. This one is only $10.99. $10.99. So all of these might be a go. I'm still on the fence about the first one, even though I like it. Once I wash it or anything like that, it might be a little too snug for your boy. So I had to think about that one. But these last 2 hoodies, $15.99 and $10.99, are definitely a go. And the first one, the one that's a little snug, is only $8.99. So I'm not gonna bore y'all through me trying on jeans, and I don't need y'all judging how my jeans fit anyway. Just want to show y'all this, so I'm gonna stop this here. Let me know in the comment section down below how you feel about these 3 hoodies so far. All right, y'all, thanks for watching the video. I completely forgot to do the outro, so I'm going to do it now. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what y'all felt about those 3 shirts, what y'all think about this terrible Nike outlets here in Ohio. I'm going to get out of here. I love y'all. OV!